RDX English Learning.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, how can I help you?
I'm looking for a jacket.
What size and style are you looking for?
Can you help me find this item?
Of course, please follow me.
Is there someone who can assist me here?
I can help you.
I need help choosing a gift.
What's the occasion?
Can you show me where the shoes section is?
It's right over there.
I can't find my size.
Let me check in the back.
Do you have a shopping assistant available?
Yes, I'm here to assist you.
Can you recommend something popular?
Yes, this item sells well.
I'm just browsing.
Take your time. Let me know if you need help.
Can you explain the features of this product?
Sure, I'd be happy to.
Is there a customer service desk nearby?
Yes, near the entrance.
Can someone help me carry these items?
Yes, I'll assist you.
I need help finding the fitting room.
It's at the back of the store.
Is there a manager I can speak to?
Yes, I'll call them.
Can you help me compare these items?
Absolutely.
I'm in a hurry. Can you assist quickly?
Of course.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I appreciate your assistance.
Happy to help.
I'll call you if I need more help.
Sounds good.
How much does this cost?
It's $45.
What's the price of this shirt?
It's $30.
Is this item on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off.
Does this price include tax?
No, tax is added at checkout.
How much is this jacket?
It's $85.
Are there different prices for different sizes?
No, all sizes are the same price.
What's the price after discount?
It comes to $36.
Is this the final price?
Yes.
Do you price match other stores?
Yes, with proof.
How much are these shoes?
They're $70.
Is there a cheaper option?
Yes, this one is $25.
Are there any hidden charges?
No,
How much is this bag?
it's $55.
Is this price negotiable?
No, prices are fixed.
Can you check the price for me?
Sure.
Is this item worth the price?
Yes, it's good quality.
What's the price per unit?
$10 each.
Is there a clearance price?
Yes, 50% off.
Okay, I understand the price.
Great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where is the fitting room?
It's at the back of the store.
Can I try this on?
Yes, of course.
How many items can I take in?
Up to 5 items.
Is there a mirror inside?
Yes.
Can I try a different size?
Sure, I'll bring it.
Is the fitting room clean?
Yes, it's cleaned regularly.
Can I try shoes here?
Yes, in the shoe area.
Do I need to leave my bag outside?
Yes, please.
Can I get help while trying this on?
Yes, just call us.
Is there a time limit?
No, take your time.
Can I try another color?
Sure.
Is this the right size for me?
It looks good.
Can I take photos inside?
Yes, without flash.
Do these fit well?
Yes, they do.
Can I leave unwanted items here?
Yes,
Can I try again later?
absolutely.
The fitting room is full. What should I do?
Please wait a moment.
I need a larger size.
I'll get it.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I'm done trying these.
Great.
Do you have this in a medium?
Yes, we do.
Is this available in a large size?
Yes, it's in stock.
Do you carry extra small sizes?
Yes, in selected styles.
Is my size available right now?
Let me check for you.
Do you have this in kids' sizes?
Yes, in the kids section.
Is this available in a slim fit?
Yes, it is.
Do you have tall sizes?
Yes, we do.
Is this item sold out?
Only this size is sold out.
When will my size be restocked?
Next week.
Can you check availability at another branch?
Yes, I can.
Do all colors come in this size?
Not all colors.
Is this available online?
Yes, it is.
Can you order my size for me?
Yes, we can place an order.
Do you have a size chart?
Yes, here it is.
Does this run true to size?
Yes, it does.
Is there a bigger size available?
Yes, up to XXL.
Can I reserve this size?
Yes, for today.
Is this the last piece?
Yes, it is.
I need this size urgently.
I'll do my best to help.
Thank you for checking.
You're welcome.
Do you have this in another color?
Yes, we have black, blue, and red.
Do you have this in white?
Yes,
What colors does this come in?
3 colors.
Do you have a lighter shade?
Yes, this one.
Is there a darker color option?
Yes.
Do you have this in a different style?
Yes, a slim fit version.
Is this casual or formal?
It's casual.
Do you have matching items?
Yes, matching pants.
Is this style trending right now?
Yes, very popular.
Can you show me a classic style?
Sure.
Is this available in a patterned design?
Yes.
Do you have something similar?
Yes, right here.
Is this style suitable for work?
Yes.
Do you have seasonal colors?
Yes, for summer.
Can I see the same style in another color?
Of course.
Is this color easy to maintain?
Yes.
Do you have a modern style option?
Yes.
Which color is most popular?
Black.
I prefer neutral colors.
Then this is perfect.
Thanks for showing me the options.
You're welcome.
Is this item on sale?
Yes, it's 30% off.
Are there any discounts today?
Yes, store-wide discounts.
When does the sale end?
It ends tonight.
Is this part of the clearance sale?
Yes, it is.
Do you have seasonal sales?
Yes, every season.
Are discounts applied at checkout?
Yes, automatically.
Is there a buy one, get one offer?
Yes, on selected items.
Can I get an additional discount?
Only with a coupon.
Is this the lowest price?
Yes, during the sale.
Are all items discounted?
Most of them.
Do members get extra discounts?
Yes, members do.
Is this sale available online too?
Yes.
Can discounts be combined?
No, only one discount applies.
Are kids' items on sale?
Yes.
Is there a weekend sale?
Yes, every weekend.
Will prices drop further later?
Possibly, but not guaranteed.
Is the discount shown on the tag?
Yes.
Can I reserve this at the sale price?
Yes, for today.
That's a great deal.
It sure is.
Thanks for explaining the sale.
You're welcome.
Do you have any coupons available?
Yes, we have a 10% off coupon.
Can I use a promo code here?
Yes, at checkout.
Are there any online coupons I can use in store?
Yes, just show it on your phone.
Do members get special promo offers?
Yes, members receive exclusive deals.
Is there a first-time customer discount?
Yes, 15% off your first purchase.
Can I combine a coupon with a sale?
No, only one offer applies.
Where can I find current promo codes?
On our website or app.
Is this coupon valid today?
Yes, it expires tonight.
Do you accept printed coupons?
Yes.
Can I use the same coupon twice?
No, one-time use only.
Are there brand-specific coupons?
Yes, for selected brands.
Do you offer birthday discounts?
Yes, for members.
Can I sign up for offers now?
Yes, it takes a minute.
Is there a minimum purchase for this coupon?
Yes, $50.
Can I apply the coupon at the register?
Yes.
Does the coupon apply before tax?
Yes.
Are digital coupons accepted?
Absolutely.
I forgot my coupon. What can I do?
I can check if it's linked to your account.
That coupon really helps.
Glad to hear that.
Thanks for telling me about the offers.
You're welcome.
What's the difference between these two brands?
One is premium quality, the other is budget-friendly.
Which brand lasts longer?
This one has better durability.
Is this brand more popular?
Yes, it's a customer favorite.
Which one is better for daily use?
I recommend this model.
Why is this one more expensive?
It uses higher quality materials.
Do both brands have a warranty?
Yes, but the periods differ.
Which one has better reviews?
This brand has higher ratings.
Is there much difference in performance?
Yes, the premium one performs better.
Which one is lighter?
This one weighs less.
Are both made in the same country?
No, they're made in different countries.
Which brand do you personally recommend?
This one is more reliable.
Is the cheaper one good quality?
Yes, for the price.
Do both come in the same colors?
No, color options vary.
Which has better after-sales service?
This brand does.
Is this model newer?
Yes, it's the latest version.
Can I compare them side by side?
Of course.
Which one is more energy efficient?
This one uses less power.
Is there a big price difference?
About $20.
I want value for money.
Then this option is best.
Thanks for helping me compare.
My pleasure.
What is your return policy?
You can return items within 30 days.
Can I exchange this item?
Yes, with the receipt.
Is there a time limit for returns?
Yes, 30 days.
Do I need the original packaging?
Yes, please.
Can I return sale items?
Sale items are final.
Do you offer refunds or store credit?
Both options are available.
Can I return an item without a receipt?
We can offer store credit.
Is there a restocking fee?
No.
Can I exchange for a different size?
Yes.
Are online purchases returnable in-store?
Yes.
How long does the refund take?
5 to 7 business days.
Can I return a damaged item?
Yes, if reported quickly.
Are returns accepted after use?
Only if unused.
Do I need an ID for returns?
Sometimes, yes.
Is the return policy written on the receipt?
Yes.
Can gifts be exchanged?
Yes, with a gift receipt.
Are exchanges free?
Yes.
Can I return this at any branch?
Yes.
That sounds fair.
We try our best.
Thanks for explaining the policy.
You're welcome.
What payment methods do you accept?
Cash, cards, and digital payments.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, all major cards.
Can I pay with my debit card?
Of course.
Do you accept mobile payments?
Yes, Apple Pay and Google Pay.
Is cash accepted here?
Yes.
Can I split the payment?
Yes, between 2 cards.
Is there an extra fee for card payments?
No.
Do you take contactless payments?
Yes.
Can I pay in installments?
Yes, with select cards.
Is online payment available?
Yes.
Do you accept gift cards?
Yes.
Can I pay later?
No, payment is required at checkout.
Is tipping included?
No, tipping is optional.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes.
Is my card information secure?
Yes, completely secure.
Do you accept foreign cards?
Yes.
Can I pay using store credit?
Yes.
Is there a minimum amount for card payment?
No.
I'll pay by card.
Please insert or tap your card.
Payment approved?
Yes, thank you.
Can you gift wrap this item?
Yes, we offer gift wrapping.
Is gift wrapping free?
Yes, for purchases over $50.
Do you have different wrapping options?
Yes, you can choose.
Can you add a gift receipt?
Of course.
Will the price show on the gift receipt?
No.
Can I get a regular receipt as well?
Yes.
Is gift wrapping available today?
Yes.
Can I write a message on the card?
Yes.
How long does gift wrapping take?
Just a few minutes.
Do you charge for gift wrapping?
A small fee for basic wrapping.
Can you wrap multiple items together?
Yes.
Is eco-friendly wrapping available?
Yes.
Can I choose the wrapping color?
Absolutely.
Will the receipt be emailed?
If you prefer.
Can I get a printed receipt?
Yes.
Do you keep receipts on file?
Yes, digitally.
Can I request gift wrapping at checkout?
Yes.
Can I add a return policy note?
Yes.
This is for a birthday.
We'll wrap it accordingly.
Thanks for the wrapping.
My pleasure.
Is everything correct with my order?
Yes, please review the items.
That's the final price, right?
Yes, including tax.
Can you confirm my total?
Your total is $128.45.
Are all discounts applied?
Yes, they are.
Can I check the items one last time?
Sure.
Is my payment successful?
Yes, it went through.
Can I have my receipt?
Here you go.
Is there a warranty on this product?
Yes, 1 year.
Can you pack this securely?
Absolutely.
Will this be eligible for return?
Yes, within 30 days.
Can I earn reward points?
Yes, they've been added.
Is my purchase complete now?
Yes.
Can I take this bag?
Yes.
Will I get a confirmation email?
Yes.
Are all items in the bag?
Yes, please check.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.
I'll come back again.
We'll be happy to see you.
That was quick.
We try our best.
Checkout complete?
Yes, all set.